The root canal procedure is a well-known dental procedure that's often ignored and covered with myths and misconceptions. In this clip, we'll dive into the intricacies of the root canal process by dispelling several of the most commonly cited myths and providing clarity on the reason why root canal treatment is a crucial treatment choice to repair the teeth that are damaged. In the beginning, let's first know what a root canal process really entails. The root canal procedure is procedure used to heal and save a tooth is severely damaged or has an infection. When performing a root canal, it is the job of the dentist to remove the pulp and nerve within the tooth. They clean and disinfect the outside of the tooth. The tooth will be sealed with crowns or fillings. The procedure can keep infection from spreading and also save the tooth from removal. One of the most popular beliefs about the root canal procedure is that it's painful. However, in reality, it is not as painful as the filling. Due to advances in technology for dentistry and anesthesia, those who go through an operation for a root canal usually feel no pain or discomfort. Actually, the purpose of a tooth canal is to relieve the discomfort caused by the damaged or infected tooth, and not to cause further discomfort. Another misconception regarding root canal treatment is that it's ineffective and is preferential to remove the tooth. While removing teeth may seem like an easier and less complicated option, however, it's crucial to know the long-term effects from losing a tooth. Through saving the natural tooth with root canal therapy, patients will be able to preserve their healthy bite and stop the shifting of adjacent teeth. Furthermore, tooth extraction could result in other dental issues, including losing jaw bones as well as changes to facial appearance. In addition, certain patients believe that people with treated teeth are more vulnerable to infection later on. However, this is not the case. After undergoing an operation called a root canal, it's cleaned thoroughly and then sealed to keep bacteria from getting into the tooth. If you maintain a good oral hygiene routine as well as regular checkups for dental health, dental canals treated by root canals can be in good health and function for a long time. It's important to clarify the notion about root canals being an arduous and costly process. Though root canal treatment may require several appointments based on the nature of the issue, but the benefits of saving a tooth as well as protecting your oral health outweigh the expense and time with the procedure. Actually, the price for a root canal is typically much less expensive than the expense of tooth extraction and the replacement of bridges or implants. Root canal therapy can be an efficient and secure treatment option to save the teeth that are damaged or afflicted. When they are aware of the essentials of the process, in addition to dispelling myths and misinformation, patients can make educated decisions about their oral well-being. If you're suffering from discomfort in your teeth or were told to undergo a dental root canal, it's crucial to talk with a licensed dentist who will assess your particular situation and advise the most appropriate treatment. Take care to take proper care of your oral well-being now will help avoid more severe issues in the future.